Hello and welcome back to the AI Free Forever YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you a completely free GPT-5 AI chatbot that lets you chat with advanced AI models, generate images, upload files, summarize documents, write content, and get instant answers with no sign-up, no login, no credit card, and no monthly subscription. Just open the tool, type your prompt, and start chatting. If you are a student doing homework, a business owner writing emails, a content creator brainstorming ideas, a marketer creating ad copy, a blogger writing articles, or simply someone who uses ChatGPT every day, this tool could save you a significant amount of money. And in a minute, we will show you exactly why. The tool is available on AIFreeForever.com. It gives you access to multiple AI models from a single interface. Right now, you can choose between ChatGPT-5 and DeepSeek v4, with additional models like Claude, Gemini, Grok, Qwen, Kimi, and Perplexity listed on the platform as they become available. You also get image generation, file uploads, and a clean chat interface that works directly in your browser. Now compare that to what most people are paying for. ChatGPT Plus currently costs around $20 per month. Over the course of a year, that adds up to $240. And that is just for one AI platform. Many users also pay for other AI subscriptions on top of that. For someone who only needs AI assistance a few times per day, those costs can add up quickly. On AI Free Forever, you can start using GPT-5 immediately without creating an account. No card, no free trial, and no subscription. So the real question is, does it actually work? Let us test it. We are starting from the AI Free Forever homepage. If you cannot find the tool right away, simply use the search bar at the top of the site and search for GPT-5. You can also browse through the Tools section and open it directly from there. Once the tool loads, you will see a clean chat interface. In the center of the screen, there is a prompt box where you can type your questions. Below the prompt area, there are quick actions like summarize a PDF, write an email, generate a logo, upload homework, and create image. Before we run our test, let us take a look at the available models. Click the model selector at the bottom of the chat box. Here we can see ChatGPT-5 and DeepSeek v4 available right now. Having multiple models in one place is useful because you can switch between them depending on the type of task you are working on. For our test, we are going to use ChatGPT-5. Let us ask it to write a professional email to a client explaining a project delay while maintaining a positive tone. We type the prompt into the chat box and click the Send button. Within a few seconds, the response appears. The email is structured correctly, professional, and ready to use. There is a clear subject line, a polite explanation, and a positive closing. For most users, this is exactly the type of task they would normally use a paid AI assistant for. Now let us try something different. We provide a sample assignment of homework. The chatbot analyzes the content and provides a clear explanation along with suggested answers. This makes it useful for students who need help understanding concepts rather than just copying solutions. Next, let us test image generation. We click Create Image and enter a prompt describing a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and neon lights. Select the accept ratio. After a short wait, the system generates an image based on our prompt. Having both chat and image generation inside the same platform is a nice bonus, especially considering there is no subscription required. So that is the whole workflow. Go to AIFreeForever.com, search for GPT-5, open the chatbot, choose your model, enter your prompt, and start chatting. No account, no payment, no watermark, and no complicated setup. And while you are on the site, make sure to explore the other free tools as well. There is a free text-to-speech generator with realistic AI voices, a free AI image generator, document tools, content creation tools, and hundreds of additional AI resources available across the platform. If this video helped you, hit subscribe so you do not miss the next one. We are publishing free AI tutorials every week. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.